Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to explain these massive wires and what they all do and how to hook it up. So let's get to it. Okay, so let's start with the power supplies. So the two power supplies that I have here are the same. Basically, if you look here on the top, you can see those are the specs. So 0 to 30 volts and 0 to 5 amps. So you'll see here it's basically pushing out 12.5 volts, which I can verify with a digital multimeter. The amps change as you basically use it. So right now there's no car going, so the amps are at 0, but as a car will go around the track, the amps will go up. So then the next thing is the power supplies connect to the stop-go box. These two wires here and also down here, so on the other power supply, these are actually included and are coming off of the stop and go box. So you have one basically for each lane. So right here, and then the other one right here. So you get the wire, and it also includes the banana plugs. So you don't have to buy that. So that's included. So yeah, so then it goes to the stop go box. The stop go box then has the green wire coming off of it. The green wire goes to the lap counter. Again, that wire comes pre-wired, comes with it. Yeah. Then the actual controllers themselves connect here. Now you don't have to use these connectors. Any banana plugs will do. These are pretty nice though. Most of the guys at the club use them. Then the cables coming here. So here and here, these are not included. So I basically bought the DS power wiring kit, I believe they call it. I can put the link in the description. But essentially it's just some red and black wire and 2 banana plugs. So, well, 4 banana plugs. So you can obviously just source that yourself. But this and this, they go to the track. So if we come up here, they go to this piece of track, so it's wired in here. So one wire here, so you got the red positive, black negative, red positive, black negative, so 4 wires total going to the track. And when the green light is on, the track has power. If I was to stop the race, you can see the light goes out. And then if I hit it again to turn the race on, it goes from red to green. And you can hear the relay clicking. So that's how the stop-go box controls the track. So if we move on down to the actual lap timer itself. So again, the green wire, that's coming off of the stop-go box. The red wire here, that's the actual lap timer bridge itself, right there. And then that wire comes included with the 2-lane. I'm pretty sure with the 4-lane as well. No need to solder or build that. This cable right here is just power. You do not get that. I went over that in the unboxing video, which I can include in this video here. I'm actually just using one I have from a cable modem, an old cable modem I have. It's just anything 12 volts that supplies at least 1 amp. And yeah, and then the white cable here, this is completely optional. This is a serial to USB cable, and I'm using that to hook up this lap counter to a computer for additional software. So yeah, that's how everything connects. Yeah, so that's it. Not too complicated, but hopefully it helps and tells you what's kind of what you need to buy for extra stuff. And yeah, and we'll lead into a demonstration next so you can kind of see how the lap timer works. Okay, let's do a little demonstration of how it all works. So I have a controller in my hand. It's connected to the stop-go box, which is connected to the power supply, and also connected to the lap counter itself. When I cross the line on the bridge, you'll see the number 3 on lane 1 will update from a 3 to a 4, and it should also show the lap time. So here we go. You can see that it updated with the lap time and also number 4. Thanks for watching, guys. In the next video, we'll have the whole track set up, hopefully. And yeah, maybe we'll do a deep dive into the lap counter itself and all the different modes and things like that. But yeah, thanks for watching.